Assalamu alaikum. This is Yasra Memon from Batch 17 Software. Today I am going to present my project, which is mobile app. This app is especially created to cater with the safety concerns of women these days. Now let's take a quick review. This is the icon of my app. When I click it, and a splash screen will appear only for 2 and 3 seconds. Now it will ask for the permissions to allow access to the phone calls, messages, and location. This is the main menu of my application. First we will see how to use it. Here are the instructions that how we will use our application, what we will do the first, what happens after 5 seconds, how to use it in trouble, and what happens after 5 seconds. User has to read all these instructions very carefully. Now I am going to add my relatives. Firstly, we will add only those relatives to which we believe might help us in danger. If I left any field blank, the app shows an toast message like this. Now I am going to add my guardian's number. Now I am going to add an other number. By clicking the contact button, we will get the list of added contacts. In case of emergency, on this screen, when you will shake your phone 3 times, it will send the message with location and the and call to your saved contacts. Note that call will be forwarded only first saved contact, so make sure you have add your first contact very carefully. Now I will shake my cell phone for 3 times and show you how the app works. Here is the toast message. I have showed this toast message because you will confirm that it will send my location. Now I am going to back my home page. Now if other than that, we have an option to of helpline numbers in extreme emergency if relatives are unable to help or response. In helpline numbers, we have government security officials contacts to be contacted in emergency. I have clicked in police, it will directly call in it. Now let's come to the Tigger option. When I click the Tigger option, the screen will open to activate the Tigger. In case of emergency, shake your phone 3 times or else press the volume up key to send the message with location and call like we have done previously. In this there is an additional feature. We can also shake our phone like this 3 times. I am shaking my phone 3 times and call and messages appear. This is the it is shows that I am in danger. This is my location, and these messages will appear to all contact number. If I press my volume key, volume up key for 5 times, it will perform same functionality like this. For that I am cancelling to send the message, because I will send it only one time. If I will press my volume key downward for 5 times, or whether I will click the button of SMS, it will show it will send the simple message. It will help us in case we have no in case we did not have any internet connection. Like I am sending this message, and message is sent to the contact. After that, if I call it, if I want to separately call my contacts like this, I am going to click the button of call. It will call the first contact. Or whether I am going to send the message with location separately, not with the call. Like this, I am going when I click it the send button, and I click it the send button, the message will go on to them. After that there is a siren option. As we click the siren button, the message will activate it to divert the attacker's mind. Like this, when I click it, it was a police siren. That I have applied this feature to divert the mind of attacker. After that, there is an extra additional feature, which is the map. It shows my location. If I want to see my location, so it will show me my location, that here is the citizen colony and exact location, which will show it. After that, if I want to apply my all these if any person is in danger, and it will close the app and open the background services. Like this, I have closed my app. It will run in the background, and I will shake my phone 3 times. Will send the message and call. It will send the message to the all members and call to the my Baba. Thank you so much for listening me.